Roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. We use only the best quality materials. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. There are many different shingle colors to choose from. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 804-269-8110